Hey guys, welcome back to another quick assist video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make the apps or the widgets into the smaller size again. What I mean by smaller size is these are the small size ones and these are the big ones. So at some point iOS, they changed it so that, or they upgraded it so that you can have a giant clock like this one. Now, how do we get this giant clock back to the small little clock? Because it's kind of unnecessary to have both a giant time and a tiny time, right? So I might want to change this back to the small version. All you have to do is go ahead and click on the widget that you want to make small again, hold it down like so, and this menu will pop up. The one with the little 4 squares, now that is the one that is gonna make it so that it goes small. And basically, once you do that, then you'll see that the clock is now a small app. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helps. Please consider liking or subscribing. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.